Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're checking out the DreamSky Sunrise Alarm Clock Radio. A multifunctional device designed for both kids and adults who want to start their day in a gentle, energizing way. At first glance, this clock is more than just an alarm. It combines a sunrise simulator, sound machine, FM radio, Bluetooth speaker, and a dimmable night light, all in a sleek, modern package. Let's start with the main feature, the sunrise simulation. The DreamSky alarm clock gradually brightens over a period you can adjust from 0 to 60 minutes. With 20 levels of brightness, it mimics a natural sunrise, helping your body wake up more naturally and feel refreshed. If you're not into the light, the alarm can also trigger sound-only mode, so you can wake up to nature sounds, classic alarm tones, or your favorite radio station. Speaking of alarms, this clock supports dual alarms, which is perfect for households with different schedules. You can customize the snooze from 5 to 30 minutes and adjust the volume from a soft whisper to a loud wake-up call. The sound machine feature is impressive as well. It comes with 26 soothing sounds, from white noise and rainfall to rivers, fans, and even bonfires. You can set the volume for each sound and use the auto-off timer, which can run anywhere from 10 minutes to 8 hours. This ensures the sounds and light fade gradually, helping you drift into a deeper sleep without abrupt interruptions. On top of that, the clock doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. You can connect your phone seamlessly and play music while the device keeps the time automatically synchronized. The FM radio is equally capable, with strong reception, a long external antenna, auto-tuning, and 20 editable preset channels. Whether you want news, music, or talk shows in the morning, this clock has you covered. The display and lighting options are versatile. You have 15 RGB colors to choose from for the night light, along with 20 levels of brightness and 5 levels for the display itself. The plastic build is durable and the clock sits solidly on a tabletop thanks to a sturdy kickstand. It's powered via a DC adapter and includes a USB charging port for your phone, eliminating the need for extra outlets on your nightstand. DreamSky has also designed this clock to fit any room or theme. It's suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, nurseries, home offices, and even dorms. Its round shape and plastic frame make it a practical, multi-purpose accessory that doesn't feel bulky. With a 1-year replacement warranty, this clock also gives peace of mind for those investing in a more high-tech alarm solution. In conclusion, the DreamSky Sunrise Alarm Clock Radio isn't just an alarm clock. It's a complete wake-up and sleep experience. From its natural sunrise simulation to its customizable alarms, versatile sound machine, and Bluetooth connectivity, it offers a thoughtful combination of features for anyone looking to improve their sleep routine and morning energy. If you're looking for a functional yet modern alarm clock that doubles as a night light and speaker, this device is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the latest tech and home gadgets.